Hi everyone, my name is Louise, and today I want to talk to you about something very important: never giving up. Learning English or anything in life can be challenging. Sometimes you feel motivated and sometimes you feel frustrated, but no matter what happens, you must remember one thing: never give up. Learning a new language is like a journey. Sometimes the road is smooth, and sometimes it is full of obstacles. But every successful person in the world has faced challenges. The key to success is to keep going, even when things get difficult. Today, I will share inspiring stories, useful strategies, and powerful words to help you stay motivated in your English learning journey. Many people start learning English with enthusiasm, but after some time, they stop. Why? Here are some common reasons. They feel it is too difficult. They don't see fast results. They are afraid of making mistakes. They don't have enough time. They feel embarrassed to speak. Do any of these sound familiar? If so, don't worry. You are not alone. Everyone faces these challenges, but the good news is that you can overcome them. Let me show you how. Think about when you were a baby learning to walk. Did you fall? Yes, many times, but did you stop trying? No, you kept getting up and trying again until one day you walked. Learning English is the same. It takes time, patience, and practice. Let me share some amazing real-life stories of famous people who never gave up. Thomas Edison failed over 1,000 times before he successfully invented the light bulb. Imagine failing 1,000 times. Most people would quit after a few tries. But Edison didn't. He believed that every failure was a step toward success. Michael Jordan, one of the greatest basketball players of all time, once said, "I have missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I have lost almost 300 games. On 26 occasions, I have been trusted to take the game-winning shot. And I missed. I have failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed." Before her books became famous, J.K. Rowling faced many rejections. She was a single mother with very little money. She sent her book to many publishers, and they all said no. But she never gave up. Finally, one publisher said yes, and now her books are loved by millions around the world. What if these people had given up? We wouldn't have light bulbs, inspiring basketball moments, or Harry Potter. The same applies to you. If you give up learning English, you might miss an amazing opportunity in the future. Many learners fear making mistakes, but let me tell you something important. Mistakes are part of learning. Think about a scientist. When they do an experiment, does it always work? No. They make mistakes, analyze them, and try again. That is how they discover new things. English learners must do the same. Here's what you can do. If you say something wrong, don't be embarrassed. Learn from it. If someone corrects you, thank them and try again. If you don't know a word, ask or look it up instead of avoiding it. Practice speaking. Even if you feel nervous, confidence comes with practice. Here are some practical tips to stay motivated. Set small goals. Instead of saying, "I want to be fluent," break it into small steps. I will learn 10 new words this week. I will watch a short video in English every day. I will speak English for 5 minutes with a friend. Every small success will keep you motivated. Use English in daily life. Change your phone settings to English. Watch movies or listen to music in English. Try writing your grocery list in English. Find a learning partner. Learning is more fun with a friend. Practice speaking with someone who is also learning. If you don't have a partner, join an online English-speaking community. Reward yourself. After completing a lesson, treat yourself to something nice. If you finish a book in English, celebrate your achievement. Surround yourself with English. Listen to English podcasts. Read books, even simple ones. The words you say to yourself matter. Use positive words. Instead of saying, English is too hard, say, English is a challenge and I love challenges. I will never learn, say, I am improving every day. I always make mistakes. Say, mistakes help me learn. Your mind believes what you tell it, so tell it good things. Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It is about progress. Every word you learn, every sentence you say, and every mistake you correct brings you closer to fluency. Now, I have a question for you. Do you have trouble remembering English vocabulary? Do you study for hours but then forget everything? If so, you can't miss my next video about 5 tips to remember English vocabulary. Click here to watch it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. Keep going and never give up.